Let's make penne pasta. We need 350 grams of penne pasta. Pour some water in the kettle and pour 3/4 into this bowl right here. Turn on your stove and wait until the water is now boiling. Now turn the power to 1000 watts and pour your penne pasta in. Set a timer for 6 minutes and you're ready to go. Timer's finished. Now it's time to drain the water out from the penne pasta. We'll use one of these bowls, which has holes in them. They'll help drain the water out. Lift it up. All the excess water will drip down. Done. Now it's time to fry bacon. We're gonna add this into a tomato sauce. Now it's time to fry bacon. We took the bacon out. This is already pre-washed. Now we don't need to add any oil because bacon is so fatty that we don't even need it. So remember to get your bacon slices out. Boom! We are done. So let's get a piece of paper, a big plate, and put the bacon on. Boom! Now grab a pair of scissors and cut these into bite-sized pieces. Boom! Done. Now let's get a tomato sauce ready. Pour in your tomato sauce. We're gonna pour 3/4 in. Now it's time to add our penne pasta in. You can see the tomato sauce is sizzling. Now this will just plop in like a pancake. Ooh, wow. Alright, now stir around. Right, we want to evenly mix the penne pasta. So we mix it in every corner. We want every single penne pasta to be covered with tomato sauce. So it'll be tasty. We are almost done. Now it's time to taste. How does it taste? Very good. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.